Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Huawei Nova 12 SE for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. In the search right here, you can start typing simple or senior, which should reveal a simple mode. You can click on it, then enable it, and that way that is all we have to do to set up this phone for a senior person. As you can see, all of the icons becomes much bigger. Also the text, it activates high contrast mode for the text, which adds black outlines to it. You can see it right here. And also if we try to go to the settings, they are a bit limited, and it's really hard to change something on your phone if you don't want it. You can of course customize this by going through that settings like a text size, display and brightness, and etc. And if you want to leave a simple mode, click on exit simple mode like that, and it should be removed from your phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.